Hello, this is DD Fellows. What I've decided to do, I just recently returned from a trip to Moab, Utah to fly my Avata 360 for the first time. And I also flew some of my other drones, which I want to do some side-by-side comparison. In fact, I want to do a side-by-side ×4 comparison of the Antigravity, the Avata 360, the Avata 2, and the Mini 4 Pro, to see how the cameras look compared to each other. I flew 3 of my drones to Faux waterfall, which is in beautiful Moab, and I was amazed by the footage, and I thought each of the drones took different kind of footage. So rather than put them together in one very long video, I decided I'm going to put out 3 videos 3 days in a row, starting with today's video, which is going to be the Avata 360 at the waterfall and in the mountains. We'll start out with the first one, which will be the Avata 360, and I'll put that out today, and then tomorrow we'll do a video with Antigravity A1, and then on the day after tomorrow we'll put out a video for the Mini 4 Pro, and we'll kind of fly in the same place, maybe not the same route, but we'll get a look at the way the different cameras look in on YouTube, and the different software for editing. Mostly I use Premiere for the Mini 4 Pro. I used DJI Studio for the Avata 360, and I used Antigravity Studio for the A1 Antigravity. So we'll have to look at that over 3 days, and you can kind of compare the drone footage. And on the 360 videos you can look for the stitch line, which you will see in both videos which one will be better and which one will be worse. I don't know. I'm hoping you'll tell me what you think. I know what I think, but I'll tell you the honest truth, I enjoyed flying all 3 of those drones very, very much. So let's get to it. Thank you. This one's for you, Andy.